1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. My expectations of my computer. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. Genesis chapter 1 verse 27, King James Version. Over the years, I have learned a lot about computers, ranging from programming them to designing databases to building them and to repairing them. So I have learned a lot regarding using them in my free time and professionally. My latest successful endeavor was to build my own PC from the ground up. From assembling all of the pieces on the motherboard to adding accessories such as a network card, hard drives, keyboard, etc., it worked properly. However, I had some expectations since I am technically its creator. That is, I expected to turn on when I wanted, not overheat, remain viable for years to come, run the Windows operating system, and run software that I want, such as Microsoft Office and games. I made the computer serve me and not that I serve it. I see great parallels in this experience creating computers and God creating us. We are thankful that he made us, John chapter 1 verse 1 to verse 3. We are thankful that he took the time to program us, which means instructs us on how to function in this world via his word that he left for us. Psalm 119 verse 105. I am thankful that when something goes wrong in us, that he does not throw us away. This is like a good PC technician that replaces parts instead of throwing out the whole system. In fact, I have computers that are running modern programs today that are over 15 years old because I interchange parts instead of throwing things away. The technical experts like Microsoft say that these computers are fit for the junk pile, but they are still going because I believe in the impossible with them, that they are still good for my purposes. Remember, when the world gives up on us, God empowers us because we can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. So, in conclusion, remember Romans chapter 12 verse 1 makes sense to me based on my computer programmer and technician experience. Since I am the creation and God is my creator, it makes sense that each day I am prepared to serve him and not myself. He is not only my creator but sustainer, Hebrews chapter 1 verse 1 to verse 3. Without him, I could do nothing and would already be discarded in the spiritual junk pile. But because God has things for me to do, I am ready and willing to daily serve him. God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.